How to activate Z-Link account. The first things first, if you don't have a Z-Link application yet, then you should go to Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and download this app called Z-Link. Now, once you have downloaded Z-Link, install it and create an account. Now, once you have successfully created an account, this is not yet your activation page. So you'll have to go to your profile and set up your personal information, add your email, and change your username. So this is the way of fully activating your Z-League account in order for you to participate in tournaments and battles like games and the specific platform. So the first thing that you'll have to set up is your personal information. This is going to be general, like your name, date of birth, and of course, set up your email address that is going to be linked to the Z-Link that you'll be creating. So those are the things that you need to do for you to be enabled to completely activate your Z-Link account.